In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom gradient in Adobe Photoshop. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in creating your own unique gradients. So without further ado, let's dive into this creative journey. First off, let's open Photoshop. You can do this by navigating through your applications or simply searching for it if you're on a Windows computer. Once you have Photoshop launched and ready, we can begin the setup for our custom gradient. The second step is to create a new canvas. Think of the canvas as your digital piece of paper where all the magic happens. To do this, head over to the File menu in the upper left corner of Photoshop, click on New, and a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the dimensions for your project. You can choose the size that best fits your project, but for practice purposes, a standard size like 1000 by 1000 pixels is a great starting point. Once you're satisfied with the dimensions, click the Create button. Now we're ready to start with the gradient. Let's locate the layer panel on the right-hand side of your workspace. Look for the circle icon at the bottom of the panel, which stands for Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer. Click on that circle icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Gradient. This is where you'll find the Gradient Editor, allowing you to create and adjust your custom gradient as you like. With the Gradient Editor now open, it's time to unleash your creativity and select your custom gradient. Here, you'll be greeted with a lot of preset gradients, but we're going to make our own. Click on the Gradient Preview at the top, which will bring up the gradient editing options. You can add multiple colors to your gradient and adjust their positions by clicking directly below the gradient bar. Feel free to experiment by dragging color stops to get the effect you're aiming for. Now let's personalize this further by adding unique colors on both ends of your gradient. Click on the left color stop below the gradient bar and use the color picker to select the starting color of your gradient. After selecting the color for one side, you can do the same for the other end by clicking on the right color stop and picking a different color. This will give your gradient a smooth transition between the two chosen colors. Once you've selected your colors and are happy with the result, click OK to apply these settings. There you have it. You've created a custom gradient in Adobe Photoshop. This tool is a great way to add depth and interest to your designs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to explore and experiment with different colors and styles. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.